Do you know the difference between Medicaid and Medicare?
I do. I actually had to look it up. Medicare generally is for the elderly, and Medicaid is generally for the needy.
Well, you're absolutely right. Medicaid costs up to $20 billion state dollars every year. That's about 1/3 of the state's total budget.
In talking with the specialist at Veins Florida, we asked him under what circumstances Medicare might cover varicose vein treatments for their elderly patients. We were told, according to Medicare guidelines, that Medicare will consider interventional treatment of varicose veins medically necessary if the patient continues to have symptoms after a 6-week trial of conservative therapies, such as weight reduction, a daily exercise plan, periodic leg elevation, and the use of graduated compression stockings.
The usual cause for varicose veins, as I said, is genetics. If your family member, your parents, grandparents have varicose veins, more than likely you will have varicose veins. Women tend to have more varicose veins than men, and women also childbearing. When you become pregnant, the baby puts a lot of pressure on the veins in the abdomen that subsequently can cause varicose veins. I think most of the patients, they suffer in silence. They always thinking that either number one, these are purely cosmetic reasons. They don't think the insurance covered the treatment. And most of the patients probably didn't know the treatment that we have. And I think with the advanced technology, patients really need to seek treatment for their veins. We can make them feel better, we can make them look better, and it's a big improvement for the quality of life. For our older population, this is the great time to think about treating their varicose veins. The Medicare will cover the most of the cost for the treatment, and it will prevent the deterioration of the skin and decrease the chance of developing ulcers. It will improve patients' quality of life, and the new technology is really cause minimum downtime, minimum pain while we're performing the procedure. And the recovery is very fast and very easy.
For more information about minimally invasive varicose vein treatments and whether your case will be covered, you'll find the contact information for Veins Florida in the Hometown Health Specialist directory at yourhometownhealth.com.